Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HubSpot to automate insurance follow-ups, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with activating HubSpot for automating insurance follow-ups, first, log in to your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the Workflows section from the main dashboard. Click on the Create Workflow button to initiate a new workflow. Select Start from Scratch for a customized approach. Choose Contact-Based Workflow to ensure it targets your insurance leads. Next, name your workflow something descriptive, like Insurance Follow-Up Automation. Click Create to proceed. You will now be in the Workflow Design area. To set the trigger for your workflow, click on Set Enrollment Triggers. Add a trigger based on your criteria, such as Contact Property, indicating that a lead has requested a quote. Once you have set your triggers, click Done to save the settings. Now, you'll need to add actions that will automate your follow-ups. Click on the plus icon to add your first action. Select Send Email to communicate with the contact automatically. Compose an email that is professional and informative, tailored to your insurance offering. Specify the timing for the email, such as immediately or after 2 days, depending on your strategy. Continue adding more actions as necessary, like additional emails or task reminders for your team. To enhance your automation, consider adding delays between actions to space out follow-ups. Once your actions are in place, review the entire workflow to ensure it aligns with your goals. After reviewing, click on the Review button in the upper right corner. Check for any errors or missing information before finalizing your workflow. When everything looks good, click Turn On to activate your workflow. Your workflow is now live, and HubSpot will automatically manage follow-ups for your insurance leads. Monitor the performance of your workflow regularly to make adjustments as needed. This ensures you maintain an optimal follow-up process and improve lead conversions over time. You are now equipped to automate insurance follow-ups with HubSpot effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.